Hello, first grade manatees. This is Mr. Vinzant, your art teacher, and this is our first lesson that we're going to be working on. This lesson is all about rainbows, and in the lesson online on Schoology, I included a link to YouTube that talks about how rainbows are formed. I'd like you to watch this video before we start on the artwork, but here's the artwork portion of what we're going to be doing. We're going to take a white piece of paper, and we are going to draw two clouds. We're going to draw one cloud on each side. Clouds are fun. We use curved lines to make clouds, and we just want to make the clouds nice and poofy. We'll put one cloud on this side, and we'll put another cloud on this side. We're going to make a cool little simple rainbow drawing just to get working on art. Now, there are 6 colors that we're going to use for our rainbow. It'll be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So I'm going to need 7 or 6 spaces for my rainbow. Let me explain. I'll make the first line of my rainbow right here between the two clouds. But we're not just going to color a line, we're going to make a space that we can color in between the lines. So there's one space. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4, and we're going to need 6 total. Here's 5, and here is 6. So we can go red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Now, we are going to color this rainbow, and you can add some items on the bottom if you like. If you'd like to, you can put some flowers all the way across the bottom, but draw them nice and big so they're easy to color. Okay? You can add any little details you like to color. So whatever you add to it, you could add birds, you could add more clouds if you like around. You could even add the sun, because we just learned that you have to have the sun when you have rainbows. So maybe we could put the sun over here in this corner. We'll put some lines on the sun. I've even seen people put some little raindrops that we could color with dark blue. So we see that it's raining and the sun is out. Now we're going to use crayons to color this, and believe it or not, even though this is a piece of white paper, we are going to use white crayon, and we're going to press down really hard, and we're going to color white crayon inside of these clouds. We're going to use a lot of crayon in here. Now even though you can't see it, you will see it a little bit later on, and I'll show you how. So I'm going to keep coloring in here, and I want to make sure I get that white in all of my clouds. And then when we go to color the rainbow, we're going to press down really hard with our rainbow colors. And here are the rainbow colors we're going to use. So we're going to start with red on top, and sometimes it's easier to outline a section before you color, and we can get that red in there and stay between the lines. Press down really hard so your colors are very bright. So we can finish coloring this top stripe of the rainbow all the way across with red, and then we'll color the next one with orange all the way across. I'm not going to color all the way across because it would take too long for you guys watching at home, so you get the idea. We'll continue this orange all the way across, the red all the way across, then we'll switch to yellow. That video was really interesting, and if you do have a small mirror, if you don't have a prism at home, and a glass of water, you can follow the instructions in the video to make your own rainbow at home. I thought that was very, very interesting. Alright, we're going to put green next, pressing down hard so those colors are nice and bright. We'll continue that all the way across. Blue. And the last color, purple, and that'll go all the way across. Purple and violet are both the same, so you can use either name for it. Alright, that's just how it started. We're going to finish that all the way across. You can color your little rain droplets if you like. Make sure you press down very hard with this crayon. You can color your sun and your flowers. Now once you get the entire page colored, if you have any blue paint at home, that is art paint. It can be tempera paint, watercolor paint. If you have watercolor paint, you want to get that blue paint really watery. And you're going to paint over the entire painting, even over the white crayon, everything with the watery blue paint. If you have tempera paint or poster paint, you can take some blue paint and add a little bit of water, and if you need some help, I'm sure a family member can help you out, but add some water to it to make it watery and paint over your entire page with the watery blue. And what you'll see is the paint will stick to the paper, but it will not stick to any crayon if you press down very hard. That means where you have white in the clouds, the white crayon will pop right through. Okay? So give this a shot at home. This will be a one-class project, but our classes at school are about 40 minutes, so we should have just enough time to get it done in one class. Let me know how it goes for you, and please send pictures. All right, enjoy the video, enjoy the lesson.